wants you to win the race.
Anataka wewe kushinda hiyo mbio. Sio kila mtu. I
repeat. Not everybody wants you to win that race. The race you are running, there are mountains, there are valleys in that race. Remember that the devil knows what you are going to get. What you are going to get after you've won the race. The devil knows that when this man wins the race, something is going to get. Now what the devil does, the devil put mountains ahead. The devil put things ahead. He'll begin to block the rest for you to fall. And in order for him to take the victory. And let me tell you, my brother,